Hi everyone, this is Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. In this chart, for intraday traders on daily basis, you will receive calls automatically. Every day you are just going to open the chart, the calls will come automatically. You will just place the order according to the calls. For example, today a buy call generated. So green color candle opened. That open point is the entry point. So a straight white color line. Can you see now? Buy at 39,597. That is our entry point. So and above green color lines are target line. Below red color line is a stop loss line. First green color line, that is our first target. That is almost a 100-point target. 39,696. And second green color line is for some traders, those who expect more point of target. Okay. And below red color line is the important line, stop loss line. That is the limit of your loss. Okay. Whenever a trend changes, this chart will immediately tell you buy or sell. Take the entry, get the target and stop loss. So it's an automatic process. Automatically you will receive calls on daily basis. Every day we are recommending 1 day per call. So like that, if you trade means on a month end, constantly if you trade, you can book some profit. So on daily basis, we are recommending these calls. Market was moved very flat trade for first 30 minutes. But after 30 minutes, suddenly a big boost happened. So due to that boost, market started to rise and a step-by-step movement, the first target is breakout, 120-point profit given within 30 minutes of the buy call generator. Weekly option chart. Since today is the weekly option chart expiry day, we are showing it. 39,500 call option. So at the money option. At 124, a buy call generated. Within 2 minutes, it moved up to 190 range. So like this, you can see option chart also. If you want to trade with option chart, you can go for it, or you can trade with future chart also. If you want to subscribe for this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the details. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.